How about we put our heads together and then we could think of the most bestest game and then we can play that game every day for the rest of our lives forever and ever and ever.
Okay. Forever?
And ever.
And ever.
Right this way. Welcome to the circus.
VIP right here.
What is this? I have rights! What is this, Hollywood? Who are you recording for? Your only friends? You're out of code. Keep it moving. What is this? What is that, an iPhone? Samsung gang! Only paying for the Apple on the back alone. I want to share. Oh my God.
You got it! You got it! You did it! Yeah!
How you guys doing?
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.